Alright guys, I just want to show y'all a quick little tip to get the most out of your money. What I have here is Firestone Destination 35. My tires are fairly bald. I've already got the other one on over here, right there, but had this blowout the other day. That was why that one had to go on. This one here, I'm not going to bother taking the time to look for it. It's got several nails in it. It's probably only got about 3 psi in it. I aired it up, I don't know, a week ago. But anytime you're doing anything off-road, whether it's a lawnmower, that's another one I'm going to do here in just a minute, or a truck tire that is on like a dedicated trail rig, I would highly recommend you put some of this in it. This is slime. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything. This is just my personal experience. I've got a lot of thorns on my property. This tire has a lot of nails in it. I counted 4 the other day, and I just wanted to show y'all how to do this. So, get my tool out here. You want a metal tire tool, valve stem remover. Now, they give you one on the slime jug, but it is plastic and it does not hold up if your valve stem cores are screwed in tight. Maybe I've had them break taking out the first valve stem before. And if you do a lot of playing off-road or working or anything like that, you might as well go ahead and buy this stuff by the gallon like I do. It's cheaper, and you'll always have some sitting around. There's your plastic valve stem remover that they give you with the slime. But basically what you do is you just slide your hose over the valve stem. You want to be sure and shake this stuff up, especially if it sits a while. Because what will happen is all of the clumps that are in it will settle at the bottom of the jug. But now I'm just going to give it about, I think it's 16 pumps for this size tire. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And one for good measure. Alright. And this slime works on just about any tire except for one that happens. Get my valve stem back out here. Oh, there it is. Just drop it back in there. Take your tool. Screw it back in. and take your pump and air it up. Now, once you get this tire aired up, you're going to want to roll it around. That's going to be the key thing. You want to move it all around and coat the inside of that tire really well with that slime, and that will seal it up.